Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 34. Find the equation of the line through the points minus 2, 1 and minus 1 over 2, 4. Now, to find this point, the equation of this line, this is giving us y minus 1, which is this, over x minus 2, now which is equals to, now the gradient of this line. Now the gradient of this line will be what? 4, that's y2 minus y1, which is 4 minus 1. Now y2, which is 4 minus y1, which is 1, all over x2, which is minus 1 over 2, minus x1, which is what? Minus 2. So minus 2. Now we'll be having that y minus 1 over x plus 2 is equals to 4 minus 1 will give us 3, all over minus 1 over 2 plus 2. Minus 1 over 2 plus 2. Now let me put this in brackets. Now let's cross multiply. Cross multiply. So in cross multiply, we'll be having y minus 1 into minus 1 over 2 plus 2, then equal to 3 into x plus 2. So now opening this bracket, here I have what? Y minus 1 into minus 1 over 2 plus 2 will give me what? Will give me 3 all over 2 equals to 3x plus 6. Now opening this bracket, I have what? 3y minus 3 all over 2 is equals to 3x plus 6. 3x plus 6. Now eliminating these two from here, we multiply both sides by 2, and that will give us 3y minus 3 is equals to 6x plus 12. 6x plus 12. So therefore 3y will be equals to 6x plus 15. 6x plus 15, because taking this 3 to this other side will make what? Will add to this 12, making it 15. Now we have 3y is equals to 6x plus 15. Now let's divide through by 3. Now dividing through by 3, we'll have that what? We'll have that 3y is equals to 6x plus 15. Now dividing through by 3, this will give us what? Y is equals to 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5, which is what? Option B. Y is equals to 2x plus 5. So that is the equation of the line. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.